Kian?
What are we doing?
What are you doing, Kian?
I'm putting this on there.
What are you making?
Reindeer food.
Yeah? Whoa. Hold on. Well, Daddy, can you take over videoing? Because I can't make it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we gotta put these in. Sprinkle green in. Red and green for Christmas. Okay, that's good.
There's no more yet.
Yeah,
Right
that's.
there.
Now I'm gonna spit and mix it around with the spoon.
Okay.
Looks very magical.
Smile, Key. Smile. Smile, Mommy. Can you smile?
Yeah.
Here, hold up a big spoonful. Smile. Come on. Okay, mix it good. Alright. You ready to go put on your coat?
Good.
Want to go put on your coat and sprinkle it outside? For Rudolph and the reindeer?
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Wanna go put on your coat?
Probably just go right out front, right?
Uncle Chris, will you help him?
I'll hold it.
Well, let me get on your shoes and stuff because we don't want to spill it, okay?
I can just hold it.
Okay.